Hello. This question goes to Victoria underscore G1 and not G2 like Gatorade. And she says, I have a question about the remapping nulls function analyzer. Maybe I'm not understanding what the function is supposed to do. Basically, I am trying to replace a blank cell in a column with another numerical value. However, when I do that through remapping nulls function, I see no change in screenshot. Yeah, got it. And Mark, who's awesome, has a fantastic answer per usual. And I'm just going to show you some other ways that maybe will work, just giving you options to deal with. Okay, so I went ahead and I'm just going to cancel this. There's no point for that. I made you a data set right here where it has our names, Mark, me, you, and it has some number right here. The reason I put this underscore in is because I noticed in your example you have a ABC, so that means the text column and not a numeric column, but you said you want to replace it to be a numeric column. So I'm like, okay, fine. We're going to default it to text. Anyway, check this out. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to edit, or sorry, match ETL. I'm going to go to text. Gonna go grab replace, plop it there, little circle, little triangle. Okay, so we can do a couple things here. I'm gonna pick on number. All right, say, hey, if it's empty, go make it, I don't know, 999, whatever. If it is null, that little thing, go make it 999. If it has an underscore, go make that underscore 999. What I could also do is I could say, hey, if it's empty, if that part is empty, go make it an underscore, and then so I can see it at least. And then from there, you could do whatever you want. Make it whatever number you want it to be. Let's hit run preview. Let's see what happens. Okie dokie. Replace text, preview, pow pow. That's one. Let's do another way though. Let's open this sucker up. I'm going to cancel you. I'm going to go to here, go there, and I'm going to open a card up just in the analyzer per your original request. Let's go to table. Let's make that the actual number. Okay, let's say I got that happening for me, right? Well, I could do this too. I do almost the same thing. We're going to say number fixed. I don't know, whatever call it. So I can say case when number, and here's where we can do a bunch of stuff. We could say case when number equals 2 single quotes means a blank in SQL world, then 999. I could do that. I could do when number again equals, I don't know, underscore, single quote, underscore, single quote, then 999. Sure, whatever. Else number. That's what we called it, right? And then end. Validate, green is good. Plow, plow. Let's move that over here. And there we go. That's another way to do it. So you could change this thing. You could do as many as you want. I could do that. I could do this again, but I could put a space if it was a space instead of an underscore, right? It's a little face, little salamander face. And if that happened to be a space, it would do it. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Hopefully that is helping along and my rants are okay with you. If I go to dashboarddudes.com/pantry, if you hit this little playlist thing here, you could see that I have a bunch of answers, video answers to a bunch of questions I've ever answered. So maybe something is in there for you to help you out. Shop around, take a look. But good luck to you. Please let us know if that worked out for you. Okay, Mark and myself.